Hi, my name is Princess Kaleigh from Princess Kaleigh's Corner, and we are going to do the rock star makeup today. Yay! Before we get started, subscribe to our channel right on the corner of the edge. First, we're going to do foundation, and it's right here, and we're going to dip it in first. We gotta make sure we got it on everywhere. Now we have our foundation on. Now we are going to put purple on, then green on to make it brighter. And it's eyeshadow. I don't think I'm getting any on there. We are still going to put the eyeshadow on. Now we are going to do green. And we are still going to dip it. We are going to circle it around. That's how we dip it. Then we are going to put it on my eye. And still. Then we're going to circle it again. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Okay, I did it right now. We are still going to do it. Now it gets done. Now it's done. We're going to blend into the purple with green eyeshadow. And we are still going to do it. And now we are going to do this eyeshadow. And first we are going to do green. This kind of green. Then we're going to put it on me. Then we're gonna put more on. Then we're gonna put it on the other eye. I have purple up here. And now we're going to do this. And we're going to put it on my eye. Then more. Now I'm going to put it on the other eye. Now I'm going to look at my eyes for a minute. It's good. That was good. Okay, now we're going to do this kind of one. Now we're going to put it on this eye. Then we're going to put more on. Put it on the other eye. Then we are going to use this one. And put it on both of the eyes. But this eye first, then this eye. Then I'm going to look at my eyes now. That's very good. That's good. And now I'm going to put on this. And it's called blush, and I'm dipping this in here. So I can put it on my cheeks. Now I'm going to look in the mirror. And I'm going to put more on. Now, start from this. I'm going to put on one of these and from all of these lines. And it's lipstick. And I have to put on this lines. Then I will choose one. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yes. So I'm going to put on this kind of makeup. I'm going to put it on my lips. I can't put it on, so I'm going to try to do more. I'm gonna blot my lipstick. Much better. Now we are going to do the eye pencil, the eyebrow pencil. Now I can do my eyebrows. Now I'm going to do this. And it's the glitter eyeshadow pencil. And it's supposed to go across here. Rock and roll, baby. Now I'm going to put this back on here. I'm going to put on the glitter now. I'm going to put it right here. Circle of it. Now I'm going to put some on the other side of it. Now I'm going to put more on there and do it on this side. Now I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to put on this one. And I'm going to do it all mixed together. And it's another eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna put on more blush. I'm just adding some finished touches so I can look like a real rock star. Now I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna put more on. Now I'm so pretty, and I like the way I put on this makeup, and I was laughing a lot. I totally look like Madonna. My eyebrows are on fleek. Please like my video and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Sharing is caring. Goodbye from now. I'll see you real soon. Vogue.